Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to show you the WP schema and the template option within it. So basically from within one of our web pages we go across to the schema option and click on it. Now I've got some schema in here, but basically I'm going to show you the templates. We have a few templates in here, not many, but the beauty about this is you can actually save this template, save your schema as a template. So we open the schema templates up, and this is the schema what we've got in. There's organization, blog posting, article schema, product schema, invoice schema, visual artwork schema, service schema, site link search box, recipe schema, person schema, news article schema, breadcrumb, web page, restaurant, event simplified, event, course, book, breadcrumbs, and article. As it says, these are added by different people. So you can store them, use them, but use them at your own risk. And obviously make sure that you actually change them. Otherwise, you're going to have all of their data on your stuff and not your own. So you do need to edit them. But as with everything else, you've got the visualizer. So let's have a look at this visualizer schema. It opens it up, and then you've got your founders there. You've got your address, and you've got your contact point details. So that's your organization schema, which looks a good schema. You can also preview it. So you can see what it looks like on the preview. And if you want to use it, you simply just import it in as so. Import the schema. And it adds it at the bottom of your schema there. That's how simple it is to actually use the templates from other people. And the other thing we've got in there is your schemas. So you go in, you've got no results at the moment, so you can save the current schema, which we give it a name. My schema, give it a description. I can put some tags in. And then we do submit. And it's saved it for us. Obviously, we can visualize it as before. We can preview it just like the other ones. And we can import another schema and we can delete it. And that's the date it was saved. We can also import and export schema. So basically, we can export a schema file. So if we go here, it will export the current file, what's there. So we export it. And then if we close that and go back to templates and delete that, when we do an import, it brings the ones back. So that the export actually exports all of your schemas in there, and then the import will bring it back. So as it says on importing the schemas, will delete all of your currently saved schemas, okay? Because it imports the saved schemas and exports the saved schemas. So that basically is your schema templates. You have two templates: schema catalog, which is what other people put in, and then you have your schemas. Hope that was useful, guys. Catch you on the next video. Bye.